Caza Gold's a little bit different story than what you've been hearing so far. We're an early stage exploration company, and we think we have pretty exciting possibilities with the projects we're looking at, and we're focused in Latin America. We have a couple of things that we think is an advantage. The first of which is our management. I'm a PhD geologist. I've been in exploration and mining for about 32 years. I've worked for the big companies, and that gives me the advantage of knowing what a big project could be. Brad Cook is our chairman, and Brad is the founder behind Endeavor Silver, Caza Gold, and Kenark Resources. A fantastic background, 34 years in the business, very good following, someone you can count on, and he's been very successful. And then our manager in Nicaragua is Marco Montesinos, an old friend of mine I've worked with for about 20 years. And he's got a couple discoveries in Central America. I have 7 discoveries in North and South America. So I think it's a good team as far as being able to say we've actually done it. We know what we're looking for, and we're going to the next step. The other thing that sets us apart are our projects in Nicaragua. The type of gold deposit we're looking at in Nicaragua, the Los Andes, is what's called a high sulfidation gold system. And a high sulfidation gold system is what the largest gold deposits in the world are. So if we talk about one of the largest ones, it'd be Yanacocha. And they have about 33 million ounces of gold. So that's the kind of target that we're looking for. And that's the part that's really the hardest part for us is I need to manage expectations of our shareholders. They drilled 50 holes at Yanacocha before they hit economic grades of gold. So that's a thing that everyone needs to understand. Most of these kind of deposits, because they're so large, the area is so large, it takes 50 to 75 holes to really see what kind of a chance you have. But that information is good for us because it tells us about the geology. It tells us about the alteration, and that's the important thing that we really need to see. We're planning on starting drilling towards the end of February, so it's very exciting for me. Los Andes is only one of 9 of these high sulfidation gold systems, and we have all 9. Management owns about 10% of the issued shares. So we're all committed, we're all dedicated. This is what we do, this is what we care about. And I think it's really important that people know that we've got our money in this, and we plan on leaving our money there because the opportunity is excellent, fantastic.